July 20th, 1969. Millions of eyes glued to television screens around the world, hearts pounding in rhythm with history. A single step onto a dusty lunar surface forever changed humanity's understanding of what's possible. But what if I told you this iconic moment, Neil Armstrong's legendary one small step, almost didn't happen? Would you believe the most historic achievement in space exploration was seconds away from disaster? Welcome to Timeless Knowledge Discoveries. I'm Noah Lobby, and today we journey beyond Earth's atmosphere into one of humanity's greatest adventures, the race to the moon and the incredible explorations beyond. Imagine yourself in the midst of the Cold War, America and the Soviet Union locked in a tense struggle for technological superiority. It wasn't just about power, it was about prestige, pride, and proving one's way of life was better. In 1957, the Soviet Union stunned the world by launching Sputnik 1, the very first artificial satellite, into space. Picture a metal sphere, no bigger than a beach ball, orbiting Earth, transmitting simple beeps that sent waves of anxiety across the globe, especially in the United States. Could America catch up? This single event ignited an unprecedented global competition, the space race. But the Soviets weren't done. Soon after, Yuri Gagarin, a brave young cosmonaut, became the first human to journey into outer space on April 12, 1961. Imagine the courage. Strapped into a metal capsule, uncertain if he would return, Gagarin boldly soared above Earth's atmosphere, becoming an instant hero. America, meanwhile, watched anxiously, determined to respond. Fast forward to 1961. President John F. Kennedy stood boldly before Congress and the world, declaring, "I believe that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal, before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth." With these ambitious words, America set its sights skyward. NASA quickly assembled a dedicated team, scientists, engineers, and astronauts, men and women driven by innovation, determination, and courage. The Apollo missions were born. But the path wasn't easy. Tragedy struck with Apollo 1 in 1967, claiming the lives of 3 astronauts during a test. However, rather than surrender to despair, NASA's teams doubled their efforts, driven by the memory of their fallen heroes. Apollo 11 became humanity's pivotal moment. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins embarked on a daring mission, knowing failure could be catastrophic. On July 20th, 1969, Armstrong descended the ladder of the lunar module, uttering those immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." In that moment, humanity was united in wonder and awe, proof of our limitless potential. But our journey didn't end on the moon. Humanity's desire for exploration and understanding surged forward. The 1970s and beyond saw incredible advancements. The Voyager missions launched in 1977, carrying humanity's message beyond our solar system. Voyager 1, now the farthest human-made object from Earth, still transmits data from interstellar space. Imagine the enormity, billions of miles away. This tiny spacecraft speaks back, a testament to human ingenuity. And today, space exploration is evolving rapidly. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin revolutionize our reach into space, bringing dreams of Mars and commercial space travel ever closer. Could we soon see ordinary people like you and me stepping onto another planet? The possibilities are truly limitless. So what lessons can we take from the race to the moon and beyond? First, daring greatly comes with risk, but also immense reward. The courage of astronauts and cosmonauts alike reminds us that greatness often requires stepping into the unknown. Second, international collaboration in space, like today's ISS missions, proves cooperation can bridge earthly divides, creating unity through shared goals. Lastly, innovation thrives on bold dreams. So never underestimate the power of curiosity and imagination. As we conclude today's journey through history's incredible quest for the moon and beyond, remember this: the next chapter in space exploration is ours to write. Whether you're an astronaut, engineer, or simply a dreamer staring at the night sky, your imagination fuels humanity's greatest adventures. So keep looking up, keep dreaming, and keep exploring. If this episode inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating stories from history. What do you think humanity's next big step in space will be? Comment your thoughts below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious